What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have the GeminiJets Condor Airbus A330-900Neo in the green stripes livery. Very excited to have this. This is my first Condor aircraft actually in the collection. I've never been able to get a 7.6, so hold on, there's a little hair there or something. But I finally was able to get this A330. I'm super excited to have it in the collection as Condor does fly to LA, and eventually they're going to be using these as they're going to replace all the 7.6s and the A330-200s, which I also don't have. But yeah, so a very unique livery. I love how they redid it. They've got the green, the red, the beige, like the sand color, blue, yellow, and whatnot. I think the A330 has only got the blue or the green and the sandish, like sand color for now, but I know they're gonna have more eventually. So yeah, let's get right on into it. Here we go. Here's the box, the standard GeminiJets box and whatnot. Nothing fancy there. I got the information and whatnot. There it is. So this is my second A330-900 after the Delta A330-900Neo in the Team USA livery. And yeah, let's get right on into it. So here we have the packaging. There it is. It's pretty good. Here we go. Alrighty. Oh wow, very nice. That looks unique and really good, honestly. It's grown on me. I do really like this sort of scheme that they've got going on here with the colors. You know, it's striking. It's something different as opposed to just the good old Euro white liveries that seem to be abundant nowadays and honestly look god-awful. But yeah, so here we go. Very, very nice looking aircraft. Super excited to have this, and let's get on into the details here. So zooming right on in there. I don't know what that says. I can't read it. I honestly don't think it is readable. But here we have the nice raccoon sort of eyes, like they call it. The cockpit windows there, looking very nice, and the nose, and then you have the green stripes. One door there, the nose gear looks pretty good. Got the antenna at the top there. Some good markings here, all the little details of the static ports, etc. And then we got the L2 door there. Got the engines looking very nice. The Condor logo right there. And then you got the wings looking really nice, and you got the wing tips, which I think that's one area that could use improving on this mold, the wing tips. But then again, I don't have anything else to compare it to because I haven't got any models from anywhere else. But yeah, the wing tips, there's good detail on that with the color and everything. Just kind of moving along, L3 door there, looking very, very nice. You got the antennas and the Wi-Fi dome and more antennas right there. Condor.com, and the registration of this model is Delta-Alpha November Romeo Delta, and there's a German flag right there. Got the Condor tail right at the top there. Excuse me. And whatever that says, oh, established 1956. That's what that says, and that's what it says right under here too, I believe. And you got the Condor titles and everything, so now it makes sense. Anyways, that's this side. We'll spin around, take a look at the behind. Looks pretty good. This side, the only difference is the cargo doors. Got the bulk bin door, and then the forward and aft like cargo compartment. Looking at head on, and everything looks pretty good. The engines look pretty good and whatnot. We'll take a look at the top down view. Here we go. Nothing fancy, and then underneath, nothing special as well. But overall, a very nice looking model, very sharp. It does, stand out, that's for sure. And I'd love to see this in person one day. And hopefully, in the future, when more of these are released, kind of build up a fleet of it. But we'll see. Anyways, guys, that's going to do it for this one. Another quick video. But I hope you did enjoy. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe for more mall unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.